Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to have our EVS class. Okay. So in the previous sessions we have seen about lesson number 6, our neighborhood. Right, children? I hope all of you are thorough with the lesson. So let us go to the new lesson. Okay. So this is lesson number 7 we are going to take now. Okay. So how many of you like festivals? Yes, all of us like festivals. Yes, children? Okay. So which events do you celebrate at home? So there is a difference between a festival and an event, right? So festival is that which everybody celebrates, and events are celebrated only by individuals at home, right? If it is your birthday, you're going to celebrate it at your home only, right? So if it is Diwali, everyone celebrates Diwali. So birthday is an event, and festivals like Diwali, Pongal, they are universal and they are celebrated by everyone. Okay, so what are the events that you celebrate at home? Yes, birthday functions, anniversaries, and so on, right? So which is your favorite festival? I want all of you to write 2 lines about what is your favorite festival and what you will be doing in that festival. Okay, so what is so special about that festival which is your favorite? Okay, children? Festivals are time for celebration and fun. So in our daily routine, we are tired of doing things that we do every day, right? So every day we go to school, we do our homework and everything. So those people who are going for office, they go to office, they do their work and come back home. So it is very systematic. Only when festivals come, all the people have celebration mood and they have fun. Okay, so festivals are the time for celebration and fun. We wear new clothes during our festivals, right? So 1 week before itself we get new clothes and everything, and on the day of the festival we wear new clothes and visit our friends and relatives. Yes or no, children? Yes. So we dress in our best clothes. So only by wearing new clothes we don't express our happiness, right? We also exchange greeting cards. Yes or no, children? So we send greeting cards, that is Diwali greetings, Christmas greetings and Ramzan greetings to our friends and relatives. Yes or no? And on that special day we are going to prepare special food. Okay, so special food is being cooked by our mother. Okay, so to enjoy the occasion. So what and all we do during the festivals? So the first thing is we have lots and lots of fun, and we are in a celebration mood during festivals. Next one is we dress in our best clothes and we visit our friends and relatives. Yes. Next one is we also exchange greeting cards and share our happiness with our friends and relatives. We prepare special food and we distribute to our neighbors and friends and relatives. Okay, and next we celebrate festivals with our friends and family. So we don't celebrate the festivals along only with our parents, but we celebrate our festivals with the extended family and friends and relatives. Yes or no, children? Yes. So next is let us see what are festivals. Festivals are special occasions. So on this day of festivals, schools and offices remain closed. So on these days, schools and offices remain closed. Yes, we celebrate festivals with our friends and family. So not only that, we also exchange gifts and greeting cards with our friends and family. So now you have an idea about festivals, isn't it, children? So let us now see how are festivals categorized. So festivals are of two types. Okay, so festivals are of two types. One is national days and the other one is religious festivals. Okay, so repeat. One is national days and the other one is religious festivals. So first let us see what are national days. So we have national festivals of India. Okay, so all the festivals that are subject to national festivals are celebrated all over the nation. Okay, so festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated all over India, isn't it? So that is national festivals. So let us see some special days such as Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are called national days. Some special days such as Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are called national days. They are celebrated all over India. Okay, so this is a answer for what are national days. So let me repeat. Some special days such as Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are called national days. They are celebrated all over India. So first let us see what is Republic Day. So children, do you remember that Republic Day we celebrate in our school? Yes. So what are all the events that we have during Republic Day? Yes, we have hoisting of flag, we sing national anthem, we take national pledge and a special chief guest will come to our school and give a special speech about Republic Day. Yes, and students will all be dressed as leaders to give their views about Republic Day. Yes, so when is Republic Day celebrated? Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January 19. So Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January of every year. Okay, every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Okay, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day, we salute our national flag. On this day, we salute our national flag. There is a grand parade in front of India Gate. There is a grand parade in front of India Gate in New Delhi. Okay, so always during Republic Day we have a grand parade. So what is parade? Any idea? So all the soldiers will be marching briskly in front of the India Gate in New Delhi. Okay, so we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day, we salute our national flag. There is a grand parade in front of India Gate in New Delhi. So there is a grand parade in front of India Gate in New Delhi. So next is Independence Day. Okay. So Independence Day we celebrate on 15th August every year. So what do we do for Independence Day in our school? Do you all remember? Yes. So here also during Independence Day we hoist our national flag. Okay. The chief guest who comes to our school along with our principal ma'am, we will hoist the national flag on Independence Day, and we will sing our national anthem followed by the national pledge, isn't it? Okay. And we will also have a march past. Yes or no, children? Okay. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. India became free from British rule on 15th August 1947. So India became free from British rule on 15th August 1947. On this day, we raise the Indian flag and sing the national anthem. On this day, we raise the Indian flag and sing the national anthem. Okay. So did you understand the difference between Republic Day and Independence Day? So Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August and Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Okay. So next, all these functions, that is national days like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc., we celebrate in our schools. So usually we will have a fancy dress competition and all the students will be dressed as national leaders to express their patriotism. Yes. So next, and during the national festivals we sing national anthem and hoist our national flag. Okay, so we should always give respect to our national flag and national anthem. So repeat, children, we must respect our national flag and national anthem. So next we have Gandhi Jayanti. So how many of you know who is Gandhi Ji? So Gandhi Ji is the father of our nation. Okay. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of the nation. He is known as the father of our nation. So Gandhiji was also called as Bapu. Gandhiji was also called as Bapu. Okay. So next we have a small activity. So it is fill in the blanks. Now I am going to give you the questions and you are supposed to write the answers. So as we did for the previous class. Okay. So the first question is, Republic Day is celebrated on dash. Republic Day is celebrated on dash. 15th August 1947 is celebrated as dash. 15th August 1947 is celebrated as dash. Gandhiji was also called as dash. Gandhiji was also called as dash. The birthday of Gandhiji is celebrated as dash. The birthday of Gandhiji is celebrated as dash. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on dash. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on dash. Now, here is a project for this lesson. Okay. So, all of you, I hope you have seen the national flag. Yes? Where have you seen it? And how do you think we should respect our flag? So, you are going to draw a national flag and color it accordingly. Okay? And you are going to write how you should respect your flag. Okay? Okay, children. So, in the next class, we will see about the other religious festivals. And until this, so do your work and revise the lessons properly. So, if you have any doubts, let me know and do your activity and the project. Okay? Thank you, children.